2 Group 3 placements in both Italy and Spain. International and Gibraltar champion, Boatswain Camillo, Cienfuegos. Will you show your appreciation, please? Next in the ring, we have exhibit number 98. Jens we have a multi-champion, Cava choice, ambitious Alexander. He was bred by Jens and was born on 12th of January 2007. He is by Yarrow Country Boy out of Long Body's Red Shoes. He has 3 CCs and 7 Cassies. And Group 4 at the International Show in Yarrow, with the best in show at the Cavalier Festival in 2011. The next one exhibit, 220, owned by Bill and Jenny Knight. Please welcome international champion Carolus Stage Struck. He was born on the 11th of February 2008 and is by Charterward Dynasty and Carolus Berenice. Can you show your appreciation, please, for Carolus Starr? Next in the ring, we have exhibit number 236. AKC Grand Champion Forestcreek Dream of Pascavale. Bred by Kevin and Deborah Klein. He is by AKC Champion Pascavale out of AKC Champion Loranga's Weave a Dream. He has 2 CCs in the UK and 1 reserve CC, with numerous American group placements and a multiple Best in Show specialty winner. To your appreciation, please, for Grand Champion Forestcreek Dream of Pascavale. The next exhibit is number 294. Owned by Hammond Novakova, he's got the multi-champion Zippy Prokopska Hvezda. Born on the 13th of December 2008, he's 5 years and 3 months old. He is by Maitri Jambo out of Troyea Prokopska Hvezda. With 16 group placements and 6 Best in Show winners, counting among his list of awards as the European winner 2011 and 12 with 35 Best of Breeds. Handled by his breeder, we have German, Luxembourg, Polish and German champion Rabymar River Dancer. He's 4 years and 5 months old by Rabymar Waltzing Darby out of Spaniel Chocolate Liqueur. He's won 16 CCs with 7 reserve CCs. Multi-champion Rabymar River Dancer. Welcome into the ring to the young handler, please, AKC and Canadian champion Khatibi Eamon Junior Warrant Show Champion of Merit. Bred by Mr. and Miss Cava, born on the 4th of April 2005 by Classic Tiger Woods and Khatibi for the Sea. Our awards include Winner's Dog at the CKCS Club of British Columbia, Reserve Winner's Dog, the CKCSC Club of Canada Specialty, and was a Canadian champion in just 4 days. Please welcome into the ring, multi-champion, Magic Guides of an Excellent Choice, bred by Natasha Noonan on the 13th of February 2009. He is sired by Angel's Pride Robin and out of Magic Party of an Excellent Choice. We now move on to our riches. Number 36 into the ring, please. AKC champion Beaufort, My Sweet Valentine. Bred by Hilda Brewer and Metamubi and was born on the 14th of February 2009. Sired by champion Brixbury Royal Hero out of AKC Charlton Molly O'Brady at Beaufort. With Group 1 and Group 2 placing to his credit, please show your appreciation for AKC champion Beaufort, My Sweet Caroline. Next we have number 157. Owned by Harold Zorline, welcome multi-champion Corey from Golden Mulbach. Born on the 16th of March 2011. He is sired by champion Billy Ball, Curtis Huff, out of champion Unavika from Golden Mulbach. She has won 32 CCs with 5 group placings and 3 Best in Show awards. Next in the ring, we have Annika Starr with multi-champion and international junior champion Tequila Sunrise von Peninsula. Born on the 23rd of February 2011, she is by international champion Pascavale out of champion Kimberly von Peninsula. With over 20 CCs and 6 best of reach to her credit, she also counts in her number of great placings in her accolades also. Number 359, again owned by Annika Starr, the German champion, Key to My Heart von Peninsula, born on the 21st of September 2009. Sired by international champion Craig Santana and champion Kimberly